In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do if you can't follow people on TikTok. The first thing you need to do is make sure your TikTok app is updated. And then the next step is you need to clean your TikTok cache. Tap on your profile on the bottom right and click the three horizontal lines. Select Settings and Privacy. In here, just go ahead and scroll it down until you see Cache and Cellular. And then click on Free Up Space. In here, click on Clear and then it will start refreshing your TikTok cache. If you still can't follow people on TikTok, what I recommend doing is to restart your TikTok like this. Drag and open TikTok app again. If you still can't follow people on TikTok, go ahead and try the support article on this as well. So in your settings and privacy, just scroll down until you can see support and about and tap on report a problem. In here, search and type in cannot follow people and you'll see the options here. Unable to follow a user. Just click that one. On this page, TikTok will then go and run through few fixes and you can try some of this. If still doesn't resolve the problem, just tap Need More Help at the bottom. In here, you can tell them your feedback and attach some pictures. Once done, tap Submit. And then wait for the results for a few days. And to check their response, just go back here and click on the paper icon on top. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.